Hello, this is a quick tutorial on installing an update to your Kennel Connection 7.0 software. If you're ever using the software and you experience an error or any difficulties with any part of the software, the first thing you want to do is check to see if there's an update available. Lots of times, if there are any bugs, they may have been fixed in a previous update. To do this, in your Kennel Connection software, simply go to the Help menu, choose About Kennel Connection, and click the Check for Updates button. If one is available, it'll let you know, and also if one is not available, it will let you know as well. So in this case, we do have one available. It was posted on September 21st, so I'm going to go ahead and click OK, again, and I'm going to close out of my software. If you have multiple computers running the Kennel Connection 7 software, you want to go to each machine and close out the software completely. Once it's closed on all your machines, head to your main or your server computer. And the first thing you want to do is create a backup of your Kennel Connection database. You should never even start to download an update before backing up your database. So I'm going to go ahead and run the backup restore utility. Choose the Backup the Database tab and choose my destination. We always recommend to back up to an external hard drive or USB flash drive that you can unplug from your machine and keep in a safe place. For this scenario, I'm going to back up to my local hard drive. We never recommend backing up to your local hard drive because if your computer crashes, you can lose your backups. Once you're ready, click Back Up the Database and choose Yes. My test database is small, so it's very quick to back up. The larger the databases get, the longer the backups will take. So now that we've backed up the database, we're going to go ahead and navigate to our support center. So I'm going to open up Internet Explorer. You can use whichever browser is your preferred. Okay, and once we're at the support center, we're going to go ahead and log in with our support center credentials. And if you don't know these, you can certainly give us a call. We can provide these to you. And once logged into the support center, we're going to go over to the left-hand side underneath the Download Center and choose Updates. And then over here to the right, you'll always find the very latest Kennel Connection 7 update. So go ahead and click the file. And in my case, I'm using Internet Explorer, so it's going to ask me to run or save. I always recommend saving regardless of what browser you're using. That way, if you need the update again or to apply it to multiple other machines, you don't have to re-download it each time. And the download, depending on your download speed, may take a few seconds or a few minutes to complete. Okay, and the download completed, so I'm going to go ahead and close out of my browser. And I'm going to navigate to my Downloads folder. And here we can see the latest update. You can also verify with the date to make sure it is the one you downloaded just now. Now, what I recommend doing is immediately copying this update and pasting it into your Kc7 directory, especially if you have workstations. Putting it in your Kc7 directory allows for you to access this update file from all of your workstations through your mapped drive. And this is very easy to do. Simply right-click on the update and choose Cut or Copy if you want to leave a copy in your Downloads folder. In this case, I don't want to leave one here, so I'm going to cut. And now I'm going to navigate to my Kc7 folder. So I chose this PC or computer, whichever yours says. Open your C drive. Open your Kc7 folder. And what I recommend doing is creating a folder specifically for updates. So you can right click on any blank space and choose New, Folder, and we'll call this Updates. Open your newly created folder, right click, and paste. And that's it. Now you can access this update file from all your workstations. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and run the update. Again, this is our main or server computer. This is the first one you want to update. So I'm going to double click it. And the nice thing about Kc7 is as soon as you click Next, it automatically locates the installation folder and installs the update for you. You no longer have to choose the path where you want to install it to. Okay, we'll click Finish. We'll close File Explorer. And now we can launch our software. And if we look down at the bottom right, we can see that we're on 7.02.13. Previously, we were on 7.02.12. You can also verify by going back to Help, About Kennel Connection, clicking the Check for Updates button, and it'll tell us we're on the most recent service release. Click OK, and now if you were experiencing any issues, go ahead and try to reproduce those. And if they were fixed in the update, you should be all set. If you're still able to duplicate the issue, certainly let us know. Now, if you only have one machine, you've completed the update process. If you run workstations with Kennel Connection software, you need to install the same update on each machine. We recommend leaving Kennel Connection closed on all machines while you do this. Now, if you followed the procedure earlier, when either copying or cutting the update file and pasting it into your Kc7 directory on your main computer, on your workstation, all you need to do is open your computer or file explorer, locate your mapped drive. So in my case, I have Kc7, my K drive, and this is under Network Locations. In some cases, network locations may be hidden like this. All you need to do is click on the little arrow next to it to expand it. Double click on your K drive or whichever letter you use. And there's our updates folder that we created. And there's the latest update that we pasted into that folder. So all you need to do now on each of your computers is double click this file, follow the same install process, and that'll complete the update on all your workstations. If for some reason you did not put this update file in your Kc7 folder on your main or server computer, you can certainly go to the support center on each of your machines and re-download it. That completes the updating Kennel Connection 7 software tutorial. And if you have any questions, please give us a call. Thanks.